Hello everyone. So today would be a short review of a special phone with protection. It's a brand called Ulefone, and this is Armor X model. It comes in this neat box. And the phone itself is, as you can see, has this rugged protection, and it's pretty solid looking phone. So here you go. It's pure Android 10, like there's nothing extra. As you can see, here are the apps. So it's just regular Android apps, and you can just install whatever you prefer. The screen comes with the special protection as well, and it shows the level, the grade of protection. Plus you get an extra protection for your screen that you can just attach on the top. I'm not going to do this because it already has a protection. There's a very detailed user manual, some charging instructions, and this neat box has a special tool. As you can see, there's a small pin to help you open the phone, like for inserting your SIM card. And by the way, it comes with 2 SIM card slots. It also has a lanyard that you can use, so here you can attach it at the bottom. A charging cable here, just a regular charging cable, and of course the charger itself. I like that. The phone is pretty good in terms of the capacity that it gives you, and the functionality that it offers. I think it's going to be a good phone for people in construction, or those who want to go for long distance hikes, because you're not going to be worried of dropping the phone onto the ground or into the water. So I would suggest this phone to anyone who is leading an active life. Overall, I'm happy with the purchase. Thank you.